By the end of the video, you will know about effective strategies to lose skinny fat and gain muscle, transforming your body into a lean, muscular physique. Step 1. Nutrition. Calorie intake. Focus on a balanced diet. Calculate your caloric needs and aim for a slight caloric surplus to fuel muscle growth without gaining excess fat. Macronutrients. Prioritize protein intake to support muscle repair and growth. Incorporate healthy fats and complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. Step 2. Strength training. Compound movements. Incorporate compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and rows. These exercises work multiple muscle groups, maximizing efficiency and effectiveness. Progressive overload. Gradually increase the weight or resistance to continually challenge your muscles, promoting growth over time. Step 3. Cardiovascular exercise. Include moderate cardio to aid in fat loss while preserving muscle mass. Aim for 2 to 3 sessions of 20 to 30 minutes per week, focusing on activities you enjoy. Step 4. Rest and recovery sleep. Ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep is crucial for muscle recovery and overall health. Rest days. Incorporate rest days into your workout routine to prevent overtraining and allow muscles to recover. Step 5. Supplements. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. Step 6. Consistency and patience. Transforming your body takes time and dedication. Stick to your nutrition plan and workout regimen consistently, and you'll start to see results. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. By focusing on a well-rounded approach that includes proper nutrition, strength training, cardio, and recovery, you'll be well on your way to shedding the skinny fat and building a strong, muscular physique. Stay committed, and your hard work will pay off.